So, ladies and gentlemen, let us start to solve this kind of equation, and let's make sure that we get the right factors. We look at the bases are all different: 3, 5, 15, and 25. Let's pay attention to that and forget about the rest for now. When you break 25 down, it's 5 multiplied by 5 to the power negative x, and then you say 15, you break it to what? To 3 multiplied by 5 to the power x plus 1. I want us to put this into brackets. So all over, so it's 3 to the power x, it's 3 to the power x, and it's 5 to the power negative x. So now, so it's gonna be 5 squared to the power negative x, and then now it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 3 to the power x plus 1. We distribute the powers, and then you say 5 to the power x plus 1. So all over, so it's all over what? 3 to the power x multiplied by 5 to the power negative x. So okay, let's remove the brackets up there. Right up there, what do? We say 5 to the power negative 2x, and then multiplied by 3 to the power x plus 1, and then we say 5 to the power x plus 1. So just to make sure that we are doing the right thing, we say 3 to the power x multiplied by 5 to the power negative x. So now, okay, because we look at the numerator, let's just combine the same bases. It means if the bases are the same and it's multiplication on the numerator, we add the indices. So we say negative 2x and then plus x, and then plus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power x plus 1. So it won't be hard to see that this will be divided by 3 to the power x multiplied by 5 to the power negative x. So now I think you are supposed to be very patient and say negative 2 plus x, which is negative x plus 1, which means 5 is equal to negative x plus 1. And then you look at the 3, it's gonna be 3 to the power x plus 1. But I guess on the next step we have to do it all over, all around. So it's gonna be 3 to the power x. It's division now. When it's division, you just subtract the indices. 5 to the power negative x. So it's going to be, so when it's here on the denominator is 5 to the power negative x. So when it's division, let's focus on the base 5. We start with the numerator exponent x plus 1, right? And then we subtract the index of the same base in the denominator, which is subtract negative x. So like that. And then now we have to look at the 3. So we say 3 index of the numerator, which is x. And then now it means now we have to just do the subtractions there on top. But you realize that in all these calculations you will just get 5 multiplied by 3, because when you do the subtraction there you say negative x plus x 0, 1 remains. 5 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 1, that's actually 15. 15 is the rightful answer of this question. So